Empreinte Digital is a company based in Angers with a staff of 52 people. We are specialists in tailor-made software development using open source and free technologies, hosting and archive management. We are committed to a global responsible approach, green IT and ethical governance to create sustainable and lasting digital solutions that are fully GDPR compliant.
It's mostly about being GDPR compliant and avoid getting fined, because more and more we're getting to see like smaller scale companies getting fined, and it wasn't the case before. Also an ethical point of view, like you said, for some companies that choose to switch from Google to Matomo because they decide that they want a more transparent solution. At Empreinte Digital, we work with open source and free software technologies. So to be able to offer an analytics solution that is a perfect alternative to what exists on the market and offering the same functionalities to our clients is what makes it very interesting. And the open source characteristic of Matomo is also very interesting for our client because it offers possibilities to make made-to-measure functionalities. Also because you can choose where to host it. So you can host it on premise. If you have your own server, it's possible, we can set it up for you, or you can choose to host it on our own servers, which are fully based in France with no third-party ties. You stay in control of the data and it still belongs to you. Matomo is referenced as the analytic tools by the CNIL. Now, you know, if you're looking for an analytics solution that is by design GDPR compliant, the CNIL is referencing Matomo.
Some different type of clients. Some of them are already using Matomo because they like to use open source software and have something easy to deploy on their own infrastructure, but they have some limits. So that time they are looking for someone that can help us to scale up the whole things. And they are also GDPR compliant and free of technical constraints regarding infrastructure management. So currently we are setting up Matomo for a fairly high traffic website, more than a few millions of visits per month. We work for AFNOR, which is a French company specialized in certification processes. AFNOR uses Matomo for more than 40 websites, constantly increasing the amount of websites on their platform. And they were also looking for a GDPR-friendly analytics solution. As we said before, Matomo fits exactly the needs. PIX is a state startup offering a mandatory exam service for middle school and high school students, both in France and internationally. And PIX uses Matomo to improve users' experience and see how students use the platform. They wanted to be able to improve part of their software. So with Matomo, they were able to do it. We were able to scale the Matomo instance from 80 million to 160 million actions by month. So we double the instance and the performance for their website.